Hi everyone, I am Nitish. Hope that the tricks of previous videos were helpful to you guys. In this video, I will cover the concept, or I may say proof, of those concepts that I discussed in previous two videos. I discussed that slope of parallel lines are equal and multiplication of slope of perpendicular lines equal to -1. So let's begin our session and learn the concept of those formulae. Some of you will think that why to squander our time in learning the concept. Actually, when it comes to explanation, and suppose you have to explain to somebody and want to make his intricate concept clear, then you definitely do that by the concept. Okay, so let's start. Here, as you see, I have drawn a figure. So basically, this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and I have drawn two lines. This one is the line 1, this is the line 2, and the slope of this line is m1 and the slope of this line is m2. Okay, basically the slope is equals to the change in y by change in x, which is perpendicular by base, and in trigonometry some of you know very well that this is tan theta. So basically slope is equals to tan theta. So angle of this line from the x-axis is alpha and this one is the beta, and suppose this is the exterior angle, and this is the theta, which is the angle between the two lines having slope m1 and m2. And if we want to calculate this value of theta, okay, so basically the according to one concept that the exterior angle is equals to the sum of the interior opposite. Basically, if this is the beta, then beta is equals to sum of the interior opposite, it is alpha plus theta. Okay, and we want to calculate theta, then theta is equals to beta minus alpha. Okay, so just multiply with 10 both in LHS and RHS side, so we get tan theta is equals to tan of beta minus alpha. And one formula we have tan A minus B, which is equals to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Here A is equals to beta and B is equals to alpha. So tan theta is equals to tan beta minus tan alpha upon 1 plus tan beta into tan alpha. This is basically formula you all have to learn. So from here, as I said that slope is basically tan theta. So tan beta is for what? Tan beta is for m1 and tan alpha is for m2. So tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. So we conclude that the angle between two lines having slope m1 and m2 is tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. So from here, from this formula, I'm going to conclude the concept of those parallel line and perpendicular line. So if we have tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay, and if the lines will be parallel, then the angle between two lines is 0. So if we put tan 0 is equals to this very equation. So tan 0 is basically what? Tan 0 is 0. So this will be equals to 0. So this 1 plus m1 m2 goes this side, and we conclude that m1 minus m2 is equals to 0. So from here I conclude that m1 is equals to m2. So finally I concluded that if the lines will be parallel, then the slope will be equal, and the slope of that two lines will be equal. Okay, so m1 is equals to m2 in the case of parallel line. Similarly, in the case of perpendicular line, we have tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay, as I proved here, tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. So if the lines will be perpendicular, then then basically the angle between the two line will be what? 90 degree. then only we may say this is perpendicular. So the angle between them is 90 degree, then tan 90 degree is equals to what? Tan 90 degree basically is equals to infinity. So this equation will equals to infinity, and if this equation will equals to infinity, that means this equals to 0. Something by 0 is equals to infinity. So from here 1 plus m1 into m2 is equals to infinity. So from here I can say that something by 0 is equals to infinity, so this equals to 0. Okay, so from here I may say that m1 into m2 is equals to -1. Okay, so in the case of perpendicular, the slope of two line, the multiplication, if this one is the slope m1 and this one line slope is m2, then m1 into m2 is equals to -1 in the case of perpendicular. Okay, and in the case of parallel, as I say, that the slope will be equal. Okay, so I hope that this concept will be helpful to you. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you learned something in this video, then please share and increase the number of subscribers, and let me know in comment box if any query. Okay guys, thank you for watching.